In today's video, we'll show you how to create your very own personal chatbot using ChatGPT. So, let's get started. Step 1. Sign up and log into the OpenAI website. Step 2. Once you're logged in, navigate to the ChatGPT playground. Step 3. Click on Create a new AI. Step 4. Give your chatbot a name and provide a brief description of what it's going to do. Step 5. Now, it's time to decide on the persona of your chatbot. You can choose from a range of options like a helpful assistant, a knowledgeable tutor, or even a quirky character. Step 6. Next, define a few example user messages. These will help the chatbot understand what kind of queries it should expect. Step 7. Once you've provided some examples, hit Create and your chatbot will start training. Step 8. The training process may take a few minutes, so be patient. You can grab a cup of coffee while you wait. Step 9. Congratulations! Your new chatbot is ready to go. You can now start interacting with it by typing in the input box and receiving responses. Step 10. Remember, your chatbot's responses might not always be perfect. Don't worry, you can keep refining it by providing feedback and iterating on the training process. And that's it. You've successfully created your own personal chatbot with ChatGPT. Now you can have fun chatting with your very own AI assistant.